It's my first time attending FranCamp and I love it. Number one, it confirmed this is what I want to do. And, having a supporting cast around what I'm trying to do is amazing.
FranCamp in Miami has been wonderful. We come back to FranCamp every year in all the cities because not only is it a great time to continue learning and educating on how we can do our business better, but also learn from others.
The learning's been great compared to other conferences and seminars we've been to. It's a lot more hands-on, a lot more personal, a lot more intimate.
I really enjoy coming to FranCamp because it's about building relationships. We've established these relationships through networking with some of the people who've been here at previous camps, and this one in Miami this year is great because there's a lot of new faces and more people to learn from.
Well, what I really like best about FranCamp is it brings together like-minded individuals that are going to share critical thinking. And so I really like the fact that this is an authentic, safe place where franchisors and suppliers can come to get the inside scoop to solve their biggest challenges.
I think they have done a phenomenal job at making everyone feel welcome. It's been a really insightful experience.
The lessons I've written down, I want to take home immediately, start with my teams and just say, here's how we're going to make 26 massive and we're going to be better than ever. And it's events like this that make that possible.
This is the place to be because of the connections in the room. Remember, AI can help you win, but humanity will help you compete.
FranCamp is the funnest conference in franchising.